Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Minecraft One Block in Java Edition. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the easiest way to play Minecraft One Block is to actually head over to multiplayer, as this allows us to actually add a server. So what we can do is go to the bottom right corner and click this Add Server button. And we can then go down to the server address. And we want to type in mcmp.cosmosmc.org. From there, you can change the server name if you want. However, if you're not too worried, we can go ahead and click Done. As you can see, this is the one we just added. So we can simply double-click on it, and it will start joining the world. And we now have the option to actually add a custom resource pack. But I'm just going to go ahead and click No. From here, we can click on this compass and go to One Block. And as you can see, we're now in the lobby. And we can type /island and click Enter. And as you can see, we get teleported to our One Block island. So that's basically how you can play Minecraft One Block in Java Edition. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.